little stinker is easy to make out of pipe cleaners in just a few simple steps. For this project, you'll need 4 black pipe cleaners and 1 white pipe cleaner, a pencil, a paintbrush with a skinny handle, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. To make the skunk's body, hold 1 black pipe cleaner up against a pencil and wrap it in a spiral, 1 coil right next to each other about 4 times, and then go back over the top of the other spirals and tuck in the ends. Remove it from the pencil. To make the head, fold another black pipe cleaner about 3/4 of an inch in, and then hold the rest of the pipe cleaner up against the skinny handle of the paintbrush and wrap it around and around in a bundle. Make one end a little pointier than the other to make the snout of the skunk. Stop when you have about 1 inch of pipe cleaner left, and we'll fold this part into the ears. So fold 1 little triangle to make 1 ear, leave a little space, and then fold the rest into an ear and tuck the end into the head. Stick the tail on the head into the body to secure the head in place. Cut another black pipe cleaner into thirds, and we'll make the front and back feet. Bend one of the pieces in half to form a V and insert it between the head and the body so that the V goes down in between the head and the body. Then roll up the ends of the pipe cleaner to make little feet, so you're just making a little coil, and bend them out so that they sit flat on the ground. You want to get them close to the body, just leave about 1/4 inch of leg. Do the same thing to make the other set of legs. Fold one of the third pieces into a V, separate a coil on the back of the body, send the V back down in between the coils, and then roll up the ends of the pipe cleaner to make the feet. To make the tail, take the last black pipe cleaner and coil it into an oval shape. So as you move the pipe cleaner around, just make sure it's elongated into an oval. When you get near the end, send the very end of the pipe cleaner through a bottom coil right at the end and pinch it into place so the whole thing stays together. And then squeeze the tail so it's narrower at the bottom and curved back just a little bit. Then insert that tail into the body and adjust everything so that your skunk can stand upright. Now take the white pipe cleaner and make just a little bend at the end that will eventually stick into the top of the head. Then make a tiny little zigzag going back and forth and measure it so that it will go from the top of the head to the base of the tail. Don't stick it in yet, just eyeball it to make sure that you've got it the right length. Now start making a zigzag back and forth a little bit bigger that's going to be as long as the length of the tail. So I'm going to measure it up against my skunk one more time. I want to end just before the end of the tail, and then I'm going to cut a little 1/4 inch end off my pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to bend the end of the front down and stick it in between 2 coils at the very top of the head. So make sure it's in there securely, and then form your white stripe, the zigzags, down the head, across the body, and up the curve of the tail. Bend the little piece at the end straight back and insert it into the coils of the tail. Press it down on the back so it stays in place. And then the very last step is to glue on the googly eyes. So use a thick white craft glue, press the eyes in place, and let the glue dry. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.